How to stop receiving Adidas newsletter and marketing emails. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial and you can follow out these few easy options to stop receiving those. So let's just get started. So one of the things we can do is within our adidas.com website, we can just go over and look out for account option in the top right corner and click on it. After that, we can go over and look out for this account settings option and click on it and open up that page, and this is the account section here. Now what we need to do is we need to go to the section called preferences from our account overview options available. Go ahead and click on it, and once we click on it here, we'll be finding different options, and we have the section called Adidas newsletters. So what we can do is we can turn off this option. So you can uncheck this option here and it will basically do it. It should directly save up the changes. You do not need to do anything, and it may take a few days for the email to fully stop. You might still receive essential emails, orders received, and security alerts. Otherwise, you can go to your email as well. Go ahead and look out for your email within Adidas from Adidas itself, and once you find it up, you can look out for the unsubscribe option from them. So go to Adidas and look out for the option called Adidas and go ahead and unsubscribe them, and that should also probably stop from giving you any kind of emails from Adidas itself. And apart from that, you can contact the Adidas customer service as well, and you can ask them to remove you from the marketing emails. And that's it. Usually those are the methods you can follow up to stop receiving Adidas newsletters and marketing emails. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.